Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and buy NVIDIA stock on KuCoin. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official KuCoin website right here, KuCoin.com if you have not already. So once you've done so, you're going to go and be greeted by this home page. By this main page we can get started, but if you're using it on your mobile phone, you can just go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, and from the App Store you can get started downloading the application KuCoin by finding it, installing it, and opening it up. So it doesn't matter if you're using the web version or the application, the process is going to go exactly the same. First thing we need to do is to go ahead and log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. If you have one, you can log in normally. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page from where we can get started. And now we can go and take a look at the KuCoin crypto exchange right here, from where we can access the prices at kucoin.com/price/NVDA. This is going to take us to the NVIDIA derivatives price. So from here we can get started with getting into it. As you can see, we can go and log in to get started with investing into NVIDIA. So it's going to go ahead and be showing us the all-time high, the current price, the previous prices, and so on. So if you're logged in right here in the upper right corner, you're going to go and be able to see the buy option. It's going to enable you to buy into it or sell if you already have it in your portfolio. But basically you can select the amount that you want to invest, and just like that you're going to go ahead and be able to buy NVIDIA derivatives and add it to your portfolio. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.